this morning. Mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 miles per hour.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'm your Rogers, Brian Elberg here. We're just going to take a quick look at the radar that you see here on the screen. So we're looking at the AWIPS. We got a little bit of a misty rain coming in, and so we're watching it. We're supposed to have thunderstorms popping up here later on this week, and let me cut this radio off so I don't have to talk over it. So then, y'all just heard the NOAA weather radio system talking. They're forecasting some storms here with a cold front, and it's going to get cold again. Most of y'all had some upper 30s and 20s degree mark. So it's about that time of the year the weather's going to turn colder once it gets into that situation. But we're no longer in winter time. Summertime anymore. It's now winter. Got my words all mixed up. So we're going to be looking at this radar system. Let me stop this loop for a moment and show you what's going to happen. And but the label here. So y'all will see the forecast here. I can choose what's going on in each area. For this area here, 64 degrees. And then for Bastrop, it's 69. So we're going to have some wind speed at least 4 miles an hour, 9 miles an hour. So it's going to be quite breezy today, according to the weather station that I got replaced this year. If y'all don't know this, I had to upgrade to the new weather station this year because the Accurate weather station just quit working. But the only thing that didn't quit working is just the wind meter. Wind meter is just stays working. The temperature sensor did not work. We gotta have temperature sensor going. Otherwise, how are we going to know what the temperature is outside, right? So, I'm starting liking this new weather station I got. I'm looking at it right now. I'm going to display the, let's see here. Let me get my YouTube channel here. Hold on, folks. So the weather station is showing this weather station here, and then I will show y'all guys. So let me show y'all the weather station for y'all. So this is the weather station that we're monitoring 24/7. So this is called the Ambient Weather Network, and it's a good one, and I'm enjoying it so far. Let's refresh this guy and see what's the update. You can have it in a dark mode, you can have it in a light mode, but just for our eyes' sake, we don't want to get blinded with a bright light. We'll just keep it in a dark mode, just same as the weather station monitor I'm looking at right now. So right now the wind is now 1.8 miles an hour. Gust is now 6.9. today's peak is 10.3 miles an hour. So we're monitoring the temperature, wind, rain gauge, and pressure, all this stuff. Then we are monitoring our batteries on our sensor. We have two sensors for the station. One is the indoor, and the outdoor is outside right now. Capture data, and all this data is coming from the National Weather Service office. So forth. This is also a quick review of our record of our data. So I like to look at this guy here. Really cool. So we can just pin that up. So we also have sunset and sunrise and moonrise and moon set. That's all one word. Let's see here. Sunrise will be at 7:18. Sunset will be 5:31 p.m. Moonrise at 5:49 p.m. and moonset at 7:54 a.m. So that is quite a lot of sand, you know. The forecast is showing some rain forecast. We might probably see some 40s, maybe in the lower 30s some nights. But I really do like this website. It is a really cool website. I can monitor my station 24/7. I also have one on my phone too as well. Let's see here. What it's going to be like for the next several days? Well, there's supposed to be some scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then there's supposed to be clearing off by Thursday. And let me update this forecast real quick. Let's see if I can get better update here. Oh, wow, it has changed. Wow, it has changed. So Sunday and Monday, it's going to be clearing off. Then AM showers on Wednesday, and then it's really gonna be more rainy season. This is the time it's gonna get nasty and it's gonna get gross, yada yada yada. Okay. So this is our original forecast. Sorry about that. So what we're looking at? Well, this is the National Weather Service Office webpage. This is a good website. I do like this website, and it gives me all information whatsoever. We got a cold front coming in. We got two cold fronts coming in, and then the Richter high pressure is going to come through. Then it's going to stay cool for a while, and then it's going to move forward from there. So if we do get another rain chances, we will get another rain chances. We do need the rain. Seriously, we do need it. We've been in a bad drought. We've been in a bad heat wave for past over the summer years. Summer this year in 2020 has been brutal. I mean, man, it's been brutal. After my old weather station went out, we had a temperature of high of 111 degree mark. I mean, that's just ridiculous. But we finally, like I said, we finally got our new weather station. And hopefully it will last for a very long time to get our data and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and turn back to the weather radar, and let me go ahead and grab my YouTube thing and put it back over here. So this is our radar. Actually, I have two radars. One, this is the AWIPS I'm using. This is the My Radar. I have this on my phone as well. I recommend My Radar app on phones, tablets, computers. Um, so yeah, this is what our radar looks like from our AWIP station. Um, so you do have all these forecasts and stuff. We do have the lightning. We're going to keep that sucker on, and we're going to show the flash. We want the flash because we want to see what our lightning looks like. There's winds. I want to check the winds. We're going to turn on that. And then the cold fronts and road weather is another good one. Let me update this real quick. And also the power outage. It's also orbital tracking, aviation, air quality. All that is just really cool thing to have on these type of maps. Also monitors your hurricane, weather alerts, clouds, whatever you want to track. So I prefer wildfires because our wildfires here in the state of Texas is really getting bad. A lot of people, a lot of people these days just like toss cigarettes and stuff like that, which they should never done. Because that can cause wildfires, and it will not stop spreading unless firefighters or go up there and take them out. Okay, so then I want to know what this is right here. Custom Euster layers. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna leave that off. Earthquakes off. We don't have earthquakes here. Aviation. I don't need that. So yeah. So it's just winds and power outage and wildfires. I do recommend using those. And since there's no longer around, I want to turn that sucker off until hurricane season. So, let's go back to the front. And there's our front right there. So, we do have that front coming in. Ooh, foot itches like crazy. So, we're going to go ahead and turn off the winds now and the temperature. You can also monitor the temperature on your radar, My Radar app. Also, one cool thing I do like about My Radar is the this forecast here, and it shows you the forecast on one single particular list and wind speed. This is why I like the My Radar so much, because it gives you all the information just instead of going on the website all the time. That's some smart thing to do. So let's go ahead and zoom out here. I want to show you all this whole entire map. And we're going to choose this guy. This is what all the rain showers are forming up here. And we do have the alert lit up. And let me show you the round. There's some snow and sleet and stuff like that. Boy, I bet people are freezing like crazy up there. I mean, man. So, but yeah, this is a really cool radar. I enjoy this radar. I got this type of app on my phone. Also, Weather Channel is also good. Let me check my notifications real quick. So yeah, I have my weather station monitoring on my phone and my computer. and Weather Channel. I also have WeatherBug. WeatherBug is also a good app. So yeah, really cool. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Go back to AWIPS. So the reason I choose AWIPS software because I like to zoom in and zoom out. Deal. I also like this little label that follows the mouse cursor, and so I can see what's going on with our forecast and other things like alerts, whatever. But that's what I like about it. Also, I got my own warning gen too, as well. The warning gen don't send out warnings like National Weather Service do. This warning gen will send out to the Facebook public, and it will alert them and let them know what's going on. So, if you follow me on Facebook, I will send you warnings and stuff. It's pretty cool. So let's take a look at another radar. This is the NexRad. So that's really cool. I like this program a lot. Sometimes I just don't. So it's just be lazy. So I had to let reset over time and reinstall it again. And I mean, this AWS is really good. It's really good. It's supposed to do what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to collect weather data all the time. That's why I like to keep this up all the time instead of closing it out and stuff like that. But I had to close it out for bedtime and close my computer because I don't want to leave it on because of electricity usage. But yeah, it's really good. All right, so thanks for tuning in. So I would like to go ahead and hop here, and I will see y'all guys next time. And hopefully, we will broadcast another weather forecast as soon as we get another updates. I'll talk at you later. Have a good rest of your day.